Today we are going to the swimming pool for the dogs. Every year, every summer we go there a lot, and I buy semi-season pass. So we've been there for more than 10 times this already. And each time we spend like an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours. He doesn't get tired. I do get tired. So we do that, and we go to the pool once or twice a week, and he has a blast. He goes crazy. So we do that. Makes me really happy. It makes him happy. And anyway, that's that. And we'll be back after the swimming, and I'll see you guys soon.
철봉이는 귀여워 철봉이는 섹시해 철봉이는 멋져 철봉이는 인기가 많아 철원이는 못생겼어 철원이는 쟁그라 철원이는 구려 철원이는 내 총각이야 철봉은 없고 철원은 울고 철봉이는 신나 철이는 외로워 철봉이는 춤춰 철봉이는 댄스킹 철봉이는 노래해 철봉이는 색깔이야 저런도 노력해 저런도 꿈꿔 저런도 춤춰 저런도 스마일 철봉은 웃고 철원은 울고 철봉이는 신나 철이는 외로워 철봉이는 춤춰 철봉이는 댄스킹 철봉이는 노래해 철봉이는 색다야 저런도 노력해 저런도 꿈꿔 저런도 춤춰 저런도 스마일 철봉은 웃고 철원은 울고 철봉이는 신나 철이는 외로워
여기서 시작해 우리는 끝내줘 모두 다 알지 내 철봉 내 철원 차별 없어 우리는 최고 거리에서 우리 흔들어 전부 느껴봐 백화점에서 펴는 운명같이 뷰서봐 철철봉봉 함께 가는 길 우리 강해지면 소리쳐 loud and still 하늘의 별이 빛나고 우리들의 세상이 여 높이 날아가 내 친구와 나 철봉과처럼 영원히 함께 철철원원 됐던 내 이름은 이철봉 됐던 내 이름은 이철원 모두 다 알지 내 이철봉 내 이철원 차별 없어 우리는 최고 다 덤벼 내 이름은 이철봉 다 덤벼 내 이름은 이철봉 여기서 시작해 우리는 끝내줘 모두 다 알지 내 이철봉 내 이철원 차별 없어 우리는 최고 거리에서 우리 흔들어 전부 느껴봐 백화점에서 펴는 운명같이 비웃어봐 철철봉봉 함께 가는 길 우리 강해지면 소리쳐 loud and still 밤하늘의 별이 빛나고 우리들의 세상이 여 높이 날아가 내 친구와 나 철봉과처럼 영원히 함께 철철원원 다 덤벼 내 이름은 이철봉 다 덤벼 내 이름은 이철원 모두 다 알지 내 이철봉 내 이철원 차별 없어 우리는 최고
Hey, so we are back from the swimming pool. Actually, it was yesterday. We had a blast, you saw. It was a very typical day of our life in summer. My concern is he plays a little bit too hard. So, but at the same time, it's like having a kid. Although I don't have one, like your kid wants to play for like forever outside, and you have to call them in because it gets too dark, or I don't know, like your kid is too hardcore, I guess. So I'm concerned about his joints. He's kind. Boston Terriers, they tend to have a problem with the joints when they age. So I really try to take care of that, prevent the problem before that happens. So I wish him, he would take it easy, but he never does. Also yesterday, we spent how many hours? Like 1.5 hour or 2 hours? I'm not sure. I was getting tired. I got really tired yesterday because I have to play with him. He doesn't play and swim himself. He always brings me the football. No football in the pool. He doesn't want to swim. So sometimes I wonder if he wants to just catch the ball or to swim. But at the same time, when I throw the ball outside of the pool, he doesn't catch it. He doesn't fetch. So he wants to swim, but only in order to get that football. He's a character. He's a character. Anyway, but although it was a tough day, I was very happy. Every time we go to the pool, we have a blast, and he makes me very, 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 very happy. And I'm pretty sure he was happier, and that's why he was so knackered. He's been sleeping the rest of the day, yesterday all day, and it's what time is it? Like 3. Sleeping all day as well. We went out just quickly for his poo. And he's back, and he's sleeping after lunch. Anyway, that's the good thing about him, about the pool. He's quiet the next day and relaxed. I have a security camera in this place, my office and my home. I check that every now and then. When I'm out, he just sleeps. Especially the day after swimming, he's like dead. So that's another benefit of going to the swimming pool. We're going there how many days? Like in 2 days, 3 days? 3 days we are going again on Friday. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this one is because he's the main guy. I hope this episode made a lot of you smile. So we're out. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Appreciate that.
Name is Jed Lee, call me Jed now. This is my plea. Ugly on the outside, beautiful inside. My heart's